Hillbilly Nitro, your internet knife and gun guru. Here we are, guys, back with another episode. We are on the road, going to see a man about a dog. Yep, guys, we're heading to the local gun shop. We're gonna go pick up something very special. This is kind of a dream gun for me. Been wanting one of these for a long time, and now or never. They're gonna we know they're gonna come after those imported firearms. So we're gonna go pick it up, taking you guys along with us. So enjoy. And we are here, guys. Harvey's Pistol Pawn. We are back from the gun shop, and guess what? We have her. Check that out. Oh yes, SLR-107UR. And we're gonna unbox it, guys. I barely took a look at it at the gun shop. I just kind of glanced over it real quick. I wanted to share this experience with you guys, and guns get me going here, so I got the buzz. Got some magazines out here. We'll test fit it. Got a Bakelite, a Bulgarian polymer, Bulgarian polymer 40 rounder, and we got the old drum 75 round drummer. It's pretty cool ammo out here too. It scores some corrosive Yugoslavian ammo. Pretty cool stuff. Brass, pretty cool. Anyways, guys, what this video is about, we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna break it open right here, and then I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of it, and that's what's gonna happen. So here we go. We're up here, as you guys can see there, we got a sling here, a green Arsenal sling, Bulgarian sling, I guess. Classified info. Save that right here. They gave us a black Arsenal oil bottle. Got a cleaning kit there. This comes separate. This comes separate. I ordered this separate. This is another Circle 10 30 rounder here. It's shipped with a 5 round, I think, or a 10 round, one of the two. Oh yes, there she is, guys. Brand spanking new Bulgarian kit right here. Made in Bulgaria. Now, guys, these guns, there's a reason why I bought this. I mean, I've always wanted one of these. It's on one of my top 10 lists, or top 5. But you know, guys, with politically right now, we're not good in the political environment for gun owners. Not good. If they come after anything, they're gonna come after the imports first. That's why I went after this one. And it cost, I paid a premium. This is the UR, and this is gonna be a bit of a project here. Gotta cover something up real quick here, so you guys understand that. There we go, got that covered up. There she is, guys. Oh, we got a cleaning rod too, which won't fit in this. But you see, we have the false suppressor here. Now, I could have got this with just a regular pencil barrel. They sold it like that. This was like 50 or so, 50, 60 bucks more to get this little false suppressor. And I do videos, and we're gonna do a Form 1 on this. We're gonna SPR this. That's why I have this. So we're gonna Form 1 this. I gotta get that, you know, like I said, politically, we're not in a good spot. So get this out of the way here. Trying not to get it too wet. Anyways, enough with the bullshit, as Rob would say over at AK Operators Union. Let's get to it. Screws on. These cost like 120 bucks if you just buy it separate. It's a little cheaper just getting it on the rifle. So there's the pencil barrel. I don't like that look. And we will definitely be chopping this when I get the paperwork done. I think that just looks much better with that on there. And what's really cool is I just now noticed They actually serial numbered this to match the parts on here. That's pretty cool, because they sell these just by themselves. Look at that. Very sweet. You got the short sight radius there. This is a crink setup. That's an American word. It's not an official word, but we call them crinks over here. Yeah, very nice. Check that out, guys. Got the folding stock there. Folds up like so. Press your little button right here. Now this has 2-stage trigger in it. It's got their premium trigger in it. I forget, the FIME group trigger. I haven't pulled it yet, so we're gonna do that on camera here. So pull that off there. So see what it feels like. Ooh. A little gritty, a little gritty. Needs to be broken in, I think. Has a little grit to it. Yeah, a little grit. Not bad though. They say this is a 2-stage trigger for an AK, and that's interesting. Yeah, that's a little gritty, but very light. Feels good though. I mean, I could polish that out, or we just break it in a little shooting it. Let you guys check out those sights. You got a little red square there. Oh, and it flips, I think. Does it flip? Oh, it flips. I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. You got 2 little slots there. Very nice. Yeah, that's sweet. I love that. Bulgarian. Now I'm gonna give you guys a close-up over here. We'll peep her out real nice. Man, guys, this is sweet. Let's give you the real profile. This is a US. I'm guessing that's a 5-round. Looks like a 5-rounder. The real mag. Just go in here. Fits nice. Very nice. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Very nice. Let's see how this fits. Now, if you guys seen the unboxing of this, you know, when I put that in my Sega, I said in the video it didn't have a lot of wiggle. It actually did. I don't know why, but when I got off the camera, it has a little movement front to back. Locks up tight in this one, but it has quite a bit of movement. Yeah, fits fine in here, but it has just a little bit of movement. Kind of makes me wary. I'm gonna have to test it on the Sega. If you didn't go see that video, it's the video before this one. Bulgarian 40 rounder there. Very nice. Kind of tight for you Bakelite fans there. God, guys, it feels wonderful. I mean, it feels like a rifle. It's got the feel. It feels like a quality firearm, I'll tell you that. It's kind of light. It's not got much weight to it, really. It's definitely lighter than my Sega / Ismash. That is very nice. Anyways, guys, let's get you a close-up of this. Here she is up close and personal. There is the false suppressor there. See, it tucks in right there. We got the big, these are like, I think it's 24 by 1.5 millimeter here threads. See how that works right there. We'll be chopping the barrel right there when we get our paperwork done. This will be going up there. It's chrome lined. This is US made. It's not Bulgarian. They do have the Bulgarian flash hider. It's like a cone. It's like 200 bucks. I may end up getting that too, but this one was like 94. There's some marks on it there, but you know, it's an AK. And it did have black around the edges there, but I scraped that off. It looked like crap, so literally looked like crap. So I scraped it off to the chrome. So this has a chrome line barrel here, 16-inch chrome line barrel. Got the crink off furniture there, crink style furniture. Very nice, guys, very nice. I'll give you under the hood look too. What a beauty, guys. Look at that. Look at my feet too. These sights are beautiful. I love it. Oh, we gotta screw that back on there. There we go. Give you the other side. Las Vegas, USA. What a beauty. The trigger there. Let you guys check these sights out. There you are looking down the sights. You can flip this. I didn't know you could flip that. That's nice. That's a nice little detail right there. The red paint in there. Fine Bulgarian craftsmanship right here, guys. Got your space for your cleaning kit. There's your cleaning kit. Green sling there. Okay, now we're going to give you guys an under the hood look here. Okay, now I got you sitting in my foam block here, my shooter's foam block there. Shout out to Charlie's Custom Clones for sending that to me. We're gonna go under the hood of this, guys. Now this hood, this top receiver cover is hinged. That's pretty sweet there, look at that. Just hinges up. Recoil spring out of there. There's our recoil spring. I was wondering if that would have a serial number in it, but nope. Very nice. You guys will look at that trigger down in there. This beautiful craftsmanship. Now this has a spring-loaded firing pin in it. First time pulling this out of here. Look at that little short gas piston there. That's a little shorty. Feels like quality, guys. It's got a little weight to it. It feels quality. I cannot wait to get this to the range. And guys, let me tell you, you guys will be with me on the first shots. Got quite a bit of a heavy spring in there. Oh yeah, it takes a little bit to push that in there. Nice extractor there. Serial numbered bolt. I like that. That just shows attention to detail right there. Just serial number on all your parts. And guys, these are sold out at K-Var right now. Shout out to K-Var. Their shipping is top notch. I had a little issue with the FFL. Kind of weaseled me around for a week. This thing should have been here a week ago. They are top notch on their shipping. feels good. That's quality. No wiggle there. Nice and tight. Did you check that chamber out? Beautiful chrome line barrel there. Let's pop this trigger up. Oh, ow, that hurt. That hurt. That's something. Let's stick that in there. Thumb down there. That thing's got some spring to it. Not good to let your trigger fly forward like that, but hey, I tried to. About took my finger off. Put the trigger back down. Our hammer. Go in there. There we go. What a beauty, guys. What a beauty. I kind of like this. I mean, I love the look of the triangle stocks, but I like this because it can hold a cleaning kit. You never know. I may end up with a triangle to throw in here if I'm feeling froggy. You know, it goes right in there with that hinge right there. You can pop your receiver cover there, and you just got a pin in there. You can probably switch a triangle folder out there if you wanted to. I think it's gonna look good with that green sling on it. There she is. That makes for handy work right there, don't it? Very nice. Just compact. It's a good little trunk monkey right here. Look at that. What a beauty, guys. I'm stoked about this. I finally have an Arsenal in my collection. An Arsenal in my arsenal. Well, guys, I believe that's going to wrap this video up. A shout out to Arsenal and Kvar for taking care of a brother. Anyways, guys, if you want to see more awesome videos, guys, sub up to the channel. You guys will see this on the range. You will see me firing the first shots with this. And I got the ammo ready. So, till next time, guys, Hillbilly is over and out of here, guys. Peace. What a beauty.